Good kitchenware in here, good
Hi guys, so
artwork, and
today I
books,
will
so we'll see.
be
But I just
reviewing
spotted this
this
rug,
girl's
and
YouTube
it's always worth
video over
unrolling rugs at the
home
thrift store. You
decor
never
and
know if you're gonna
thrifted
find
items that
a
you can
really
either
great one.
repurpose
This
or
was
clean up
almost good.
and
I
they would
love the
look
little
great in your
tassels. The
home.
size is great, but there's something about the pattern that I'm not loving. But it's $19 and in perfect condition.
So this girl will be going to multiple different thrift stores and checking out everything that they have.
This copper teapot, and I'm not even really a huge tea person, but I think this is so cute. If I was ever doing some kitchen styling, I think
I will
this would
be
the
skimming
perfect
and scanning some of the
teapot to
video
style
just to
in,
check out
like, a
some different
carpet.
things that she
Since I do
finds.
go thrifting a lot, I just like to
So I'm going to zoom over to here. With these, at thrift stores, you can repurpose them. So buying these, it's more for the texture and the shape when you buy them. And you can bring them home and spray paint them with textured spray paint and make it like a neutral tone or however you would like to use the vase and what color.
I love that it's padded, it's upholstered, and it just looks really fancy. I think filling this with our little Polaroids that we keep in our home and leaving it out on display in our living room would be such a great piece of decor.
I'm gonna zoom through here.
Personality to our space.
So, I always have really good luck finding very cute wicker baskets, and if you did not know, you can also spray paint wicker baskets, and it works really well.
Thrift store, there's 3 that are all really close together, so I just hop around between them to see what I can find. Wow, see, this is the kind of...
And then here we go, another thing. These you cannot find. They are baby furniture if you're not in the market for baby furniture, but it's extremely hard to find these things, and for that price, it is so worth it. There might be a little scuffs and a couple things that you could go back and fix, but overall, you could resand it to the natural oak color and use it.
They are so cute.